Welcome to the Easy English Listening Test at A2 Level for Beginners. Part 1. There are 10 questions in different situations. You have 7 seconds to think and choose the best answer. Listen to people talking in various scenarios. Let's begin.
1.
You hear Daniel and Sophie talking about the school play.
Have you heard about the upcoming school play? They're holding auditions next week.
Oh, really? I didn't know about that. What's the play about?
It's a mystery drama set in the 1920s. I think it's going to be fantastic. The story revolves around a group of friends solving a crime at a glamorous party, and there are unexpected twists.
Sounds intriguing. I might give it a try at the auditions. What kind of characters are they looking for?
Well, there are lead roles for the main characters trying to solve the mystery, but there are also supporting roles for party guests, and even opportunities to be part of the stage crew.
That's great! I'm good at art, so I could contribute to the stage design too.
Two.
You hear Alex and Mark talking about the exhibition.
Why are you carrying a camera? Mark?
I'm heading to the botanical garden to take some photos of the flowers and plants. They have a special exhibition this week.
Oh, that sounds interesting. What's the theme of the exhibition?
It's all about rare and endangered plant species. They're trying to raise awareness about conservation.
That's a great initiative. Are you a photography enthusiast?
Yeah, I love capturing the beauty of nature. It's not just a hobby. It's also a way for me to contribute to environmental causes.
Three.
You hear Emma and Jake talking about a photography contest.
Congratulations on winning the photography contest, Jake.
Thanks. I was nervous at first, especially seeing all the incredible photos from the other contestants. But I stayed focused on capturing unique moments.
Impressive. Photography seems challenging. How did you learn to take such amazing shots?
It took time and practice. My aunt, who is a professional photographer, taught me various techniques. I also watched a lot of tutorials online.
That's dedication. Any specific tips you can share?
Sure, I often experiment with different angles and lighting, and having a good eye for details helps. I also believe in capturing genuine emotions.
Those are great tips. I'll keep them in mind for my photography hobby.
Four.
You hear a radio host encouraging listeners to create an indie rock playlist.
All right, folks, last week we discussed some classic rock hits, didn't we? Today, we've got a new challenge for you music enthusiasts out there. We want you to create a playlist featuring lesser-known indie rock bands. We've got an extensive collection of indie tracks in our music library, but if there's a specific band you're keen on including, feel free to let us know. Now, the key to this project is to be meticulous about your song choices. If you're careless, your playlist might not have the same impact. Don't forget to explore different genres within indie rock. Let's see who can come up with the most unique and captivating playlist.
Five.
You hear a conversation between Lisa and Tom about a laptop keyboard.
Hey Tom, do you mind if I borrow your laptop for a bit? Mine is acting up, and I need to finish this assignment.
Sure thing, Lisa. Help yourself.
Thanks a bunch. By the way, I noticed you got a new keyboard. It looks sleek.
Yeah, it's the latest model, but honestly, I'm a bit disappointed. The buttons are a bit too stiff for my liking.
Really? I thought about getting the same one. What made you choose it?
Well, it got great reviews online, and I liked the design. But after using it for a while, I realized the buttons are not as comfortable as they seemed.
Good to know. I'll consider other options then. Thanks for the heads up.
Six.
You hear a teacher addressing the class at the beginning of the new semester.
Hey everyone! As we kick off the new semester, I want to make sure we're all on the same page. Last term, we had some fantastic discussions in our literature class, and I'm hoping to continue that trend. I've noticed the writing assignments were a bit challenging for some, so this time, let's focus on honing our writing skills. I'll be providing more detailed feedback to help you improve. Also, I know some of you enjoy exploring different themes, so feel free to suggest topics for our upcoming readings. Let's make this semester even more engaging and intellectually stimulating.
Seven.
You hear Alex talking to Sarah about a new sushi place he visited. I tried out that new sushi place downtown, Sarah.
Really? I'm not a big fan of sushi. It's not my kind of food.
Funny you say that because I usually avoid seafood too. But let me tell you, this place had this incredible chicken teriyaki dish that completely surprised me. The teriyaki sauce was rich and flavorful, and the chicken was perfectly cooked. It's not something I expected to enjoy at a sushi place, but it turned out to be amazing. I think you might find something you like there, even if you're not into traditional sushi.
Well, maybe I'll give it a shot.
Eight.
You hear a person sharing her experience about an art exhibition.
Hi, Grace. I have to tell you about the art exhibition you recommended. It was so interesting. They had different kinds of art, like paintings and digital pieces. Found this artist with a cool style, and I got a nice picture for my room. Now, it feels more creative. While exploring, I thought about how much you might enjoy it, too. We should definitely plan to go there together sometime. It's a great mix of art, and I believe you'd find it just as fascinating. What do you think? Let me know if you're up for it.
Nine.
You hear Lily talking to Jack about a new coffee shop and sharing their thoughts.
Hi, Jack. Have you tried the new coffee shop downtown?
No, not yet. Is it any good?
Oh, it's amazing! They have a variety of specialty coffees, and the atmosphere is so cozy. Last time, I tried their caramel latte, and it was heavenly. They also offer free Wi-Fi, so it's a great spot to work or study.
Sounds tempting. I'm not sure if I should try it, though. I'm used to my usual spot.
Trust me, this place might become your new favorite. The baristas are friendly, and they even have delicious pastries.
Well, maybe I'll give it a shot this weekend. Thanks for the recommendation.
Ten.
You hear a person sharing her recent hiking experience with Mark.
Hey Mark, have you ever tried hiking? I went on this amazing trail last weekend, surrounded by lush greenery and singing birds. The fresh air and beautiful scenery were invigorating. I discovered a serene waterfall hidden along the way, and it felt like a hidden gem. The best part was reaching the summit. The panoramic view was breathtaking. I highly recommend it for a refreshing escape from the daily grind. The trail wasn't too challenging, making it perfect for beginners like us. We should plan a hiking day together. I'm sure you'll love it.
Great job on the A2 level English listening test. If you enjoyed it, subscribe for more. Keep up the good work and happy learning.